Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Be10x. Today we are diving into the world of cybersecurity and exploring Darktrace, a revolutionary AI-powered solution that detects and responds to threats in real time. Buckle up as we not only discuss its functionalities but also witness its capabilities through an exclusive demo. Before we begin, remember Be10x has an exclusive workshop on AI tools. Learn how AI is transforming cybersecurity, data analysis, and more. Click in the link description below to unlock your AI potential.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
Imagine having an intelligent system that continuously analyzes your network activity, learns from your behavior, and detects any suspicious deviations all in real time. That's the magic of Darktrace. It leverages the power of AI to identify abnormal behavior, autonomous threat response, continuous learning, and adaptations. Witnessing Darktrace in action. Now let's explore how Darktrace can act as your guardian angel through a demonstration. The scenario describes a cyber attack unfolding in a major stock exchange. In the absence of Darktrace, a malicious attachment is opened by an employee, initiating a phishing attack. Malware is downloaded on the computer, exploiting security vulnerabilities. The malware spreads throughout the organization, compromising sensitive information and installing backdoors for further access. Days later, the attacker gains more control, compromising critical systems, leading to significant disruption and data exfiltration. Ransomware spreads across networks, forcing trading to halt temporarily. The Chief Information Security Officer is alerted, and the situation worsens with trading system inaccessible and data leaked. In contrast with Darktrace installed, the attack would have been detected and thwarted at various stages. The sophisticated phishing attempt would have been recognized, preventing the initial infiltration. Suspicious behavior from infected computers would have been intercepted, blocking malicious connections and preventing malware downloads. Even if malware managed to spread, Darktrace would intervene to stop lateral movement and exfiltration of data. Unusual activity such as data transfer to Dropbox would be detected and blocked. Attempts to access critical systems would be thwarted, and suspicious behaviors like large data transfer would trigger intervention. Ultimately, Darktrace proactive monitoring and intervention prevent the attack from causing widespread damage, allowing the Chief Information Security Officer to address the situation promptly and protect the stock exchange. Remember, security is everyone's responsibility. The world of technology is evolving at rapid speed, and staying ahead of the curve is essential. AI is becoming more prevalent in our world. In a short amount of time, many people have lost their jobs as AI takes over tasks once done by humans. This trend can lead to economic difficulties, and nobody wants to be affected by a recession, right? However, AI itself doesn't directly replace you. It's the people who know how to use AI effectively that might replace traditional roles. To stay valuable in your career and protect your job, you need to adapt and learn how to use AI tools. While AI solution like Darktrace offers a powerful layer of defense, it's crucial for everyone to practice safe online habits and stay informed about the latest threats. That's where Be10x exclusive AI tools workshop comes in. Don't forget to join our AI tools workshop, learn how to leverage AI for enhanced cybersecurity, explore other AI solutions, and stay ahead of the curve in the digital age. Click in the description below to secure your spot. Darktrace paves the way for a future where AI safeguards our digital world. We witnessed its capabilities in action and explored how AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity. Remember, explore, stay vigilant, and see how AI can contribute to more secure digital future. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. And most importantly, check out the link in the description below for our AI tool workshop. We will see you there, ready to equip you with the knowledge to thrive in an ever-evolving world of AI and cybersecurity. Thanks, and see you next time.